I would like to ask you, what are the top 3 things that you would want people to consider seriously before opening a bar?
Well, I think that the first one would be don't do it. No, I'm joking. Don't do it.
That's what we tell everyone.
If you like sleep, don't do it. If you want to and are serious about opening your own bar, then find yourself good advisors, because you would need advice. You will need people that you can trust that will help you, because that's the most valuable thing. And then there's no shortcuts. You really need to go the extra mile, learn what you need to learn, even if it takes time, and then have fun. Don't forget to have fun.
Most importantly, yeah, we get so cooped up with the endless events stuff that we forget that we opened the bar in the first place because we loved it. We love the industry. But thank you, very insightful, and I appreciate it.
Thank you.